Learn Python is an Android application designed to help users learn the Python programming language through an interactive and user-friendly platform. This app is particularly beneficial for beginners and aspiring programmers who want to grasp Python's key concepts, which are widely used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Key features typically include a detailed curriculum covering essential topics such as variables, data structures, control flow, functions, and object-oriented programming. The app often provides engaging tutorials and explanations, combined with practical coding exercises that allow users to apply what they learn immediately. Additionally, Learn Python usually incorporates quizzes and challenges to help users test their understanding and reinforce their knowledge. Some versions may offer built-in coding environments, enabling learners to write, run, and debug Python code directly within the app, providing hands-on experience. Overall, Learn Python serves as a valuable resource for anyone looking to develop their programming skills, offering a comprehensive set of tools and content that make the learning process effective and enjoyable.